Good morning everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, magluluto po ako ngayon ng patay and timpi sambal. Ayan, magisa po ako ng mustard, cumin, garlic, onion and garlic, and tomato. Ayan, mix together. Then, mag-add din ako ng 1 spoon of ginger and garlic paste and 2 spoons of chili paste. Ayan, mix together lang po yan. Then, a little bit of tamarind water. Then, salt to taste. Kunting halo-halo lang. Then, add the fried timpi. Pina-fry ko na po yan sila. Ayan. And the patay. And mix together. Ayan, guys. This one is ready to serve na yan siya. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Bye. See you again.